Hi, this is Natalie Lucier, and today we're talking about how to store all kinds of different types of information.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. That's it, now honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eye.
So if you're like me, then you've got a lot of stuff going on, and you want to be able to track down everything that you're up to. And what I'm suggesting is this really cool app called Evernote. So let's say you want to keep track of your testimonials. So for me, I want to put them all on my portfolio page. But the problem is that it's hard to keep track of everyone's testimonial. So let's say that I just want to grab someone's testimonial real quick like this. I'll just copy this, click on Evernote, paste to Evernote, and what that does is it will open up and it'll say which page I got this from. It'll copy the text, and then I'll be able to select which category I want this in. So maybe I want this under praise and testimonials, or for example, another thing that I really love using Evernote for is if I was doing headlines or swipe copy. So in your business, if you're writing a lot of marketing pieces for your website and for your sales letters, it's important to be able to look at other pieces of writing that have sold you or that have inspired you. So what I like to do is if I see a headline, say an email subject line or a headline for a blog post that I think is great and that's really pulling me in, I'll actually copy it and save it into my headlines or swipe file. As you can see here, I also have a category for blog post ideas. So this is actually kind of like my main hub for everything that I do when it comes to my blog post ideas. So you know when you're in the shower and you get that great idea and then you run out and write it down on a piece of paper? Well, if you don't have somewhere to put all of those ideas after you write them down real quick, then the next time you sit down to write a blog post or film a video, you won't know what to refer to anymore and you won't have an idea of like where you want to go with that idea. So that's why I have this category. You can clip a rectangle or window, so that's the same thing as when I was showing you how to use Sketch. So let's say I wanted to clip the entire thing here. As you can see, it saved the entire thing and as a screenshot, and I can also add tags. So if we want to say comment or testimonial, I could do that here, and then I would put that under praise and testimonials, and then just close it and go back to your usual workflow. Another thing you can do is you can do an audio note. So if I click on audio note, right now it's recording. So as you'll see, this is great if you're on the go, if you're using your iPhone or anything else that you're on the go. It's just absolutely wonderful for. Okay, so great. Now that you've added things to your Evernote, you want to be able to go back and find them. So it's very simple. You've got different notebooks. So for example, my blog post ideas were here and headlines were here. And then you've got past blog posts. So once I finish a blog post, I'll actually move those ideas into here. And as you can see, it's really easy. You can also just search by tag. So if I want to search for things that were praise, I would look here. You know, basically this is super helpful if you want to start cataloging ideas, if you want to start cataloging projects. You can have a notebook per project. And you remember how I had that instant pick-me-up for entrepreneurs post where if you keep track of things that are good, keep track of things that are excellent, you know, things to celebrate about yourself, I have a notebook for that. And I think that it's a great thing to just kind of go through and get a little instant pick-me-up every week. If you feel like you're not moving forward, just go back and check your Evernote, see what's going on and what great stuff people have said about you and your work. So this is great for both marketing copy, for blog post ideas, and for testimonials and making sure you keep track of everything all in one place. So I highly recommend that you check out Evernote.
Getting jiggy with it.